Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the Optimus broker through the Tradingfinder website together. We enter the review section related to Forex brokers, select the Optimus broker, click on the Go to Website option, and the page related to the Optimus site opens for us. We click on the Get Started option and select Open Account. And in this section, we complete the items related to account opening. We enter the email address that you have not previously used to open an account with this broker. We enter the desired password, which includes numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and symbols. And in this section, we repeat the password again and click on the Create Account option. In this section, we select the items related to the type of account. In the first part, you select the account type as individual, and in the second part, you choose the items related to your trading account, where you can select hedging and others, and then click on the next option. In this section, a page will open where you need to complete your personal information. After entering your first and last name, in this section, you enter the information related to your residential address, and here you enter your mobile phone number. In the next section, you provide your date of birth. And in this part, you must indicate how you became familiar with this website. And finally, you select the next option. In this section, you need to enter your personal information. In the first step, you declare that you are not a U.S. citizen. And for your identity verification type, you select the required document. Here you enter your ID number, and in this section, you select the U.S. tax form if you have one. In the next part, you specify your employment status and click on the next option. In the next step, you must enter information related to your financial sources, and then you click on the next option. On this page, you need to enter information related to investments. First, it asks you if there is anyone in your family who owns or is a partner in 10% of the shares. It asks whether you or your family members are employed at a brokerage. It refers to your history with brokerage firms. And if you have encountered any legal issues with a brokerage, please explain in this section. In the last section, it examines the ownership of this account by other individuals or entities. After completing these questions, you click on the Next option. In this section, a page will be displayed for you to declare that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the broker. After entering your first and last name, click on the Next option. In this section, a page will be displayed for you where you must accept that you have agreed to all the terms and conditions related to this broker for your transactions and that you will conduct your transactions according to the broker's rules. After completing the items, you click on the Next option. Your initial account opening with the Optimus broker has been completed, and in future videos, we will go step by step through the process of verification and how to upload documents. Wishing you success and profitability.